Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. As you know, my name is Asghar Ali and I belong to Bihar. And now I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before starting my speech, I want to speak few lines in Hindi. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाज़े कातिल में है। वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। शहीद अशफाकुल्लाह खान। शहीद अशफाकुल्लाह खान was a great freedom fighter. He was born in 1900 in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. He was son of Shafiqullah Khan. He was a great revolutionary and martyr also, who sacrificed the country's freedom. His name has been written in the golden letters of India's history. He also decided to do something for his country, but the sudden suspension of the non-cooperation movement hurt him a lot. But at that time he decided to move ahead from non-violence and peaceful method to park his country from the course of cruel British rule. Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan was held captive in the jail of Faizabad, where he recited the Holy Quran every day. Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan was sentenced to death on the 19th December in 1927, along with Ram Prasad Bismil and Rajendra Lahiri. At last, but not least, I want to speak some heart-touching lines in Hindi. जिंदगी बादे फना तुझको मिलेगी हसरत, तेरा जीना तेरे मरने के बाद होगा, और कुछ तमन्ना नहीं है, तमन्ना तो ये है